What's up guys, it's Electric Monster here. Today I'm back with another video. So last time I made this video on how to extract zip files, and WinRAR was the one I was using. So WinRAR now has a fee to use. So today I have this free method how to extract zip files easily in Windows 10. So first you gotta go to this website. So it's 7zip.org. I'll just put the link to this website in the description below. So once you're here, there are a few options. So you can choose which type of Windows you're running. So my computer is a 64-bit, so I'll just simply click this one. Here we go, and wait for it to download. Okay, once the download is done, you simply have to click on this one over here, this exe file. I'll just do so. It'll say you want to allow this out from an unknown publisher to make changes in your device. You have to click yes. Don't harm your computer. Okay, so now we have this thing. Now simply click install over here. Okay, so now it's installed really quickly. So I'll just simply close this. So yeah, now 7zip is installed in your computer. So let me show you how to extract in a second. Okay, so now I made this folder just to test how it works. So simply, I'll just first zip this folder. I'll go ahead and do that. So over here you have this 7zip option if you right click it. And then you can do compress an email, add to new folders, that's 7z compressed to new 7z. So there's a lot of options. What I'll do is do this, add new folder 7z. There we go. We have this WinRAR arch. We have this 7z file. Yeah, so that's how you do it. So thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please drop a like and subscribe. It will really help me a lot. I really appreciate it if you do it. See you in the next video.